Hello, welcome back. So in the previous video, we gave you an overview of the AeroBar 5710 and the various components and accessories which are available for it. In this particular video, we'll be giving you a very small demonstration of how well the AeroBar works in a very small controlled experiment. So now right here with me, I have a very simple way of demonstrating electrostatic attraction. We all know that bodies which are charged to opposite charges tend to attract each other. That is the phenomenon of electrostatic attraction. So now a very common thing is that when you have this sticking tape over here, when you peel it off, you tend to develop a lot of charge which will attract other kinds of particles. I have the particles right over here, and you can see one thing, that when I peel the sticking tape and when I bring it near these particles, you can see that they all attract to it and then they stick to it. So a very common thing, and also along with the field meter, we have an instrument over here with which I can show you the exact amount of charge which is developed on the sticking tape. So now once again, let me just peel off the sticking tape and show you the amount of charge. You can see there's around 6.2 kilovolts of static charge, which is 6,200 volts of static charge on the sticking tape. Let me just bring it in front of the AeroBar, and after a very brief exposure, let me show you the charge again. The charge is very small, just around 20 or 30 volts, which is nearly zero, and you'll notice that this does not attract any of the particles anymore. So you have now taken care of the common problem of electrostatic attraction by using the AeroBar 5710. Just before we close the video, I would just like to show you the overall connection scheme in the way that this particular bar is connected. Right over here, we can see that this is the power unit and this is the power adapter. This is the LED for the power, which is glowing, which shows that the ionizing bar is receiving electrical power. Finally, it's right over here, you can see the compressed air input, which is giving compressed air. You can turn up the pressure so that you can target the ionizing air to go for a larger distance, and with that you can probably choose to use the remote control to adjust the frequency or the positive or the negative ion balance in order to get the exact specific output that you want for your application. So thank you for watching. I hope that this video was informative. If you need any kind of information and consultation about your manufacturing applications where you believe static charge could be a problem, we are the ones who can give you the perfect solution. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for your time.